you need to go over to your YouTube studio and toggle these settings off. The reason why YouTube is not recommending your videos to your target audience, to a lot of people, the reason why you are getting low views, no subscribers, and low watch time is because you probably toggle this off. You toggle this on, so you need to go back there and toggle it off. I'm going to walk you through how you're going to do that right now. So let's go. So um we are moving to our YouTube studio. So you just come here and type studio.youtube.com, then YouTube studio. This first one here. So it's going to take us to directly to your YouTube studio dashboard, right? So you can always change uh whatever settings you want to change from here. You can always work on it. But where we are going to is this customization right here, right? So when you get to customization, you come to this home tab. You can also do this on your mobile phone, right? So I'm using my laptop to show you guys all of this so for what you need to do. So you go to more settings, right? So if you have all these buttons here, if you have them toggled off, it's toggled off right now. Everything has to be like this. If yours is facing this direction, if it is like this, make sure you change it back. You make sure you toggle them on, right? Now this recency, what we are telling you to from here, this all contents recommended, it means that what is going to recommend, YouTube is going to recommend all your content, everything that has to do with your content. Can recommend content that you've posted like 2 3 years ago if you've been on YouTube for a very long time, right? And it is not really it is not advisable, because that's a year 2 years ago you might be creating content, probably a daily vlog content for an instance, and you want to change your niche, you want to start creating content about food, right? So and if your this button, if you toggle this on here, is it might not show people, it might not show your current audience what you want them to be, what you want YouTube to show them, right? It might be showing content of your vlogs, and you are not vlogging anymore. What you are doing currently is what is food vlogs, right? So you want your you want to make sure that you toggle this on, not this one, right? So what YouTube does here is that it shows your audience your recent content only in the last 12 months. So this is the best decision that you can make for your YouTube channel. So it can recommend recent content that you've just created. You can recommend it for your audiences, and it's not going to show just your audience alone. I mean, not just your followers. It's going to show, I mean, subscribers. It's going to show your prospective subscribers too. People might, any person might come across your content and say, okay, I like this person's content and I would love to follow this person, I would like to subscribe to this person's channel. So that is what we actually want. So if you have it here, make sure you toggle it back to this place. So when you are done, you click on done, right? Another thing I want to show you is here. You come to these settings, right? Then you come to channel. Now check all these things. Right now I'm creating content that has to do with YouTube tutorials, how to go viral, how to get on 1,000 views, how to increase your watch hours and all of that, how to grow your YouTube channel. So make sure this basic, under this basic info, check out all these things. Country of residence, if you are not in Nigeria, you select the country that you are currently in. Then these keywords are going to help your content rank higher on YouTube. So you want to use keywords that has to do with your current niche, the kind of content that you are creating, right? So when you are done with this, you come to advanced settings. If your content has anything to do with kids, it is, if it is made for kids, then you come here and click on yes, set this channel as made for kids. But if it is not set for if you're not creating content that is made for kids, then you want to put it here, so you don't have to always go back to your post, like whenever you want to create a content, like you want to upload a video on your YouTube channel, you don't have to like necessarily go back there and toggle this on here. So if you have done it here, you don't need to go back there and keep on doing it at all time. Do you understand? So you make sure that you do what is necessary on this end, right? Then feature eligibility, you come here, make sure that all these things are enabled. You want to check it out. Anything that is required, your requirements for being enabled for each features, you make sure that you follow them, right? So that is basically it. So when you are done, you want to make sure that you want to save it, right? I already done all this, so this save button is not currently enabled. So when you are done with all these things that I've mentioned, make sure that you click on this publish to publish every changes that you have worked on. So guys, these are basically what you need to do. Can you see changes published? So make sure that you do all these things, then trust me, your videos are going to rank higher, you're going to get more subscribers, and your views are going to what, they are going to get increased. So if you like this content, guys, if you like this content, if you are yet to join my family, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what exactly are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button to get more and more tips from me, right? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.